welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson and I'm super excited to be back. If you noticed, I lost my voice, but hey, we must keep the fitness thing going, isn't it? So today I have for you a 3-minute ab workout. These 3 workouts are very good for you and they're absolutely fabulous. So I'm just going to get into the floor and we're going to be starting with cycling. So each time you stretch your leg, you want to stretch your leg out, and when you fold up as well, like you're doing a crunch. So we're doing 45 seconds workout, then 15 seconds rest. This works on your lower ab and the upper part as well. It contrasts every part of the belly. My belly is going down and so happy. So we're having 15 seconds rest before we move to the next workout, which is plank twist. Trying to make sure that your hip doesn't touch the floor. That was super effective, guys. So while we're resting, fall into position. We're going to be doing leg raises. I'm sure you can feel the bone. Whew. And that was super effective. I feel the bone right here. And trust me, you can do this any day, anytime for just 3 minutes. And you can also do it 3 times. That makes it 9 minutes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.